Hello everyone, buckle up. No, literally buckle up, because today we are talking about self-driving car detection using Raspberry Pi. And don't worry, your car won't suddenly start driving itself just because you watched this video. At least I hope not. If it does, please call me immediately. I will patent your car and retire. Now, quick show of hands. How many of you actually trust a car to drive itself? I see some confident faces, but most of you are thinking, nope, I don't even trust my Uber driver. When he misses the turn for the third time, fair enough. So, here's the deal. A Raspberry Pi is like that tiny genius cousin in your family. Small, quiet, and yet somehow smarter than half of the adults in the room. With just this little board, a camera, and some coding magic, we can help a car see. Yes, you heard that right. The car learns to see. Not like us human though. We look at a red light and still think maybe I can cross if I go fast enough. The Pi is more disciplined. We use OpenCV here. Think of OpenCV as the car's eye and Raspberry Pi as its tiny brain. The camera feed comes in. OpenCV processes it and the Pi says, aha, that's a stop sign. Better not zoom. Paste it like my uncle does on his scooter. Let's make it interactive. Imagine you are the Raspberry Pi. I show you a picture of a red circle with stop written on it. What do? Yes, you stop. Perfect. For 3 seconds, you just became artificial intelligence. Congratulations, you can now brag to your friends. I was AI before it was cool. Here's how the process works step by step. Number 1, camera captures live video. Number 2, Raspberry Pi runs OpenCV to analyze the frames. Coming down to number 3, it detects objects, cars, signs, pedestrians, maybe even that one confused dog always crossing the road. And yes, number 4, then the Pi makes a decision. Not big ones like should I marry my crush? No, smaller ones like stop, go or turn. Now, here's the catch. So, don't expect your Raspberry Pi to suddenly transform into a Tesla autopilot system. No. If you try that, your Pi might look at a dustbin and scream pedestrian detected, or mistake your neighbor's cow for a minivan, and trust me, you don't want that. The point is, this technology is simple, powerful, and also a little hilarious when you think about it. A tiny board the size of your palm is learning to drive. Humans take years to learn driving, fail tests multiple times, and still sometimes can't parallel park. But a Pi, it's already trying. So here's my advice. If you build this project, test it carefully. Start small, maybe on a toy car, not your dad's actual car. Otherwise, instead of applause, you'll get grounded. And that's self-driving car detection with Raspberry Pi. Fun, practical, and just a bit sci-fi. Remember, technology doesn't replace humans. It just makes humans lazier. Now, if you enjoyed this, hit the like button. Otherwise, I'll program my Raspberry Pi to follow you shouting detected on the road.